Have you ever felt that deep urge to discover who you really are? You're not alone. Many of us reach a point in life where we start questioning our purpose, our values, and what truly fulfills us. This journey of self-discovery is a profound one, and it's something that Ram Dass, a spiritual teacher, has spoken about extensively. You're watching this because you're ready to awaken to your true self. This feeling of restlessness, this sense that there's more to life than what we're currently experiencing, is a sign that we're on the verge of a transformation. It's a call to look within, to explore our inner world, and to understand ourselves on a deeper level. I remember when I first started on this path, feeling lost and searching for meaning. I was going through the motions of daily life, but I felt disconnected from my true self. It wasn't until I hit rock bottom that I realized I had a choice. I could continue down the same path, or I could take a leap of faith and explore who I truly was. As I began to explore my inner world, I started to notice patterns and habits that were holding me back. I realized that I had been living my life according to other people's expectations rather than my own desires. This was a painful realization, but it was also liberating. I finally had the courage to start making changes and aligning my life with my true values. Ram Dass often speaks about the importance of self-awareness and the need to let go of our ego. He teaches that our true self is not our thoughts, our emotions, or our physical body, but rather the awareness that witnesses all of these things. This understanding is crucial to our journey of self-discovery. The journey of awakening is not always easy. There are moments of darkness, of fear, and of uncertainty, but there are also moments of profound joy, of love, and of connection. As we navigate this journey, we begin to see the world in a new light. We start to understand that everything is interconnected, and that our individual awakening is linked to the awakening of those around us. As we walk this path, we start to notice the masks we wear, the roles we play, and the expectations we have of ourselves and others. We begin to see that these masks are not who we truly are, but rather a way of navigating the world. And as we let go of these masks, we start to reveal our true self. This journey is not about arriving at a destination. It's about the process itself. It's about being present, being mindful, and being aware of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's about cultivating compassion, kindness, and understanding towards ourselves and others. One of the most pivotal moments on this journey is when we realize that we are not our thoughts, we are not our emotions, we are not our physical body. We are the awareness that witnesses all of these things. This realization is a game changer. It allows us to step back, observe our thoughts and emotions, and respond rather than react. As we continue on this journey, we start to notice the impermanence of everything. We realize that nothing is permanent, not our thoughts, not our emotions, not our physical body. This understanding brings us a sense of peace and acceptance. The aftermath of awakening is not always easy. There are challenges that come with living authentically. We may face resistance from others, or we may struggle to navigate our newfound awareness. But there are also joys that come with living authentically. We experience a sense of freedom, a sense of peace, and a sense of connection to ourselves and others. Living authentically means being true to ourselves, even when it's difficult. It means embracing our uniqueness, our quirks, and our flaws. It means being vulnerable, being open, and being honest. And it's in this vulnerability that we find true connection and true freedom. As we conclude this journey, we realize that self-discovery is not a one-time event, but rather a continuous process. It's a journey that requires patience, compassion, and understanding. But it's also a journey that brings us profound rewards. If you're on this journey, I encourage you to share your experiences with us in the comments. What have you learned about yourself on this journey? What challenges have you faced, and how have you overcome them? Let's continue the conversation. If you're interested in exploring more about personal growth and spiritual awakening, be sure to check out our related videos. We've got a whole playlist dedicated to helping you on your journey of self-discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. May your journey of self-discovery be filled with love, light, and profound insights.